Jason Ebro, Glenbard East. Third lane, Jeff Sproat, Naperville Central. Fourth lane, Will Trainer, Wheaton Warrenville. Sixth lane, Chris Schwiegart, Wheaton Warrenville. Seventh lane, Mike Caulfield, Naperville Central. Eighth lane, Dave Schumann, Naperville North.
On your marks. Set. Everybody up. Yeah.
We're doing it at night. Yeah, it's like 6.
On your marks.
Could be in rare form. Yeah.
Chris is in the second position. Just right in the oval.
And he's on the second to the outside lane.
Yeah.
Set. Everybody up. On your mark.
Third time's a charm. I got all the paperwork at home.
Set.